together for one thing, and that's to support the best healthcare right here in our community, close to home. We wanted to thank our title sponsor, Nature's Emporium. This is 10 years of friendship and partnership rooted in support of this community.
The Nature's Emporium Run for Southlake is a tradition. We've raised over $2.3 million over the past 10 years, and it's something that I'm very proud to be part of.
We have some good news. Together, we have raised close to $330,000 and we're still counting. We are all helping. Whether you've raised $100, $500, or $5,000, Southlake is your hospital. We're here for you when you need us. We're always by your side, and today you are here by our side when we need your support.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for your commitment to our hospital.